everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x by implicit differentiation. We have y times sine x squared equals x sine y squared. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is differentiate with respect to x both sides of the equation. We're going to use the product rule on this one and also the chain rule. So differentiate both sides of the equation. All right, make sure you keep everything straight here. So for the first part, we are going to use the chain rule for this. So we're going to just copy down the y, okay, times the derivative of sine is x squared is cosine of x squared. The chain rule, and this is times 2x. And what we did is we took the derivative of x with respect to x. All right, plus, now you take the derivative of y, which is 1, and that's 1 times sine x squared. And we were taking the derivative of y this time with respect to x. All right, I'm going to move this piece at the bottom, on the second line, so this is going to be equals here. For this part, you take x, copy it down, takes the derivative of sine, which is cosine of y squared, times 2y. This was derivative of y with respect to x. And then we have plus derivative of x is 1. So this is just going to be sine y squared. And this is going to be derivative of x with respect to x. Now, derivative of x with respect to x just equals 1. So I'm going to cross those two out. I'm also going to write derivative of y with respect to x as y prime. It makes it look a little nicer. So let's do that. And we're going to have y cosine x squared. Let's go ahead and put the 2x in front here. Sorry. I'm going to put this 2x in front. So we're going to have 2xy cosine x squared plus sine x squared. Derivative of, instead I'm going to put y prime here. So y prime. I'm just changing that up. All right, equals, let's multiply those two. This is going to be 2xy cosine y squared. And this is going to be y prime for this piece. Plus, and I'm going to squeeze this in right up here, sine y squared. Now, I'm going to move all my y prime terms, which is this whole thing here, on the left-hand side of the equation. So basically when I do that, I'm going to get, let's see, sine x squared y prime minus this piece, 2xy cosine y squared y prime equals, copy this down, sine y squared, and subtract this from both sides, minus 2xy, I can squeeze it in, cosine x squared. All right, now the next step I'm going to do is factor out my y prime. So that's going to give me, and rearrange a little bit. So let's do that. We're going to have y prime times sine x squared minus 2xy cosine y squared equals sine y squared minus 2xy, keep running out of room, cosine, no, I'll just squeeze it up here, cosine x squared. So that goes right there. All right, now to solve for y prime, here we're just going to divide both sides by this. So we get our derivative of y with respect to x, which I changed to y prime, equals sine of y squared minus 2xy. Now I'm going to write this out nicer. Cosine x squared, all divided by this here. So that gives you sine of x squared minus 2xy cosine of y squared. And this is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.